Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Excel 7G Loan Flower Stop. Flower Stop. So here, this assignment I am going to solve today. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. I am professional. I can solve the courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all the educational courses for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. So, name of this assignment is Excel 7G Loan Flower Staff. So here it is saying in this project you will create a name range and use it to set data validation. You will use a PMT function to calculate a value and then use it in a two variable data table. You will you will also enter a VLOOKUP function to return values from a table and format cells in the workbook. You will also audit a worksheet, correct errors, and use a match and index function. So this is all we are going to do in this assignment. So first, this assignment is consist of almost 17 points. So here I am going to solve some part of this assignment. In point number 1, it is saying open the file Excel 7G loan flower stops downloaded with this project. So here this is our file. As you can see, student last name will be at the start of this assignment. So let it open. So this is our assignment. It is open now. Next, we will move to step number 2. Step number 2 is of uh, 8 marks. In step number 2, it is saying display the second worksheet warehouse payment table. In cell B8, enter a PMT function. Use cell B4 divided by 12 as a rate, cell B3 as a number of payment period, and cell B2 as percent present value of the loan. Display the result as a positive number. So here we are going to do this. So first of all, it is saying display the second sheet. So here this is our Excel. The name of second sheet is warehouse payment table. So we are going to open it. It is open, and next it is saying in cell B8. So here in cell B8, this is our cell B8. Here we have to enter a PMT function. So here I will enter, put a equal sign, and here now I will enter PMT. PMT, as I enter, it is first saying rate. So rate is, as you can see, interest rate is per year. So here I will select this value and divide it by 12. Next, it is saying number of payments. As number of payments is month, so I will select it. And next, at the end, it is saying present value. Present value is this one. But as it is saying we need a positive value, so I will put a negative sign in front of it and then close the parenthesis and press enter. So this value will be displayed here. So this is our step number 2. So step number 2, PMT is done. PMT function is done. Next we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying create a two variable data table in the range B8 and H16. Set the cell as the row input cell and cell B4 as column input. From the cell style gallery, apply the currency cell styles to the range C9 to C9 to H16. Select the payment option closest, then closest but less than 1000 10,000 per month for a 12-month loan, cell B15, and format the option with the node cell style. Click cell A1 and save the workbook. So here we have to first create a two variable data table. So first we will select from B18 to H16. It is selected. Next we will go to data tab. and in data tab we will go to what if analysis, and here I will select a data table. It is saying that row input, and for the row input, its row is our time period. So here I will select B3 as time, B3 as row input. For column input, I will select the rate, and as I will press OK, these value will be displayed here. But as you can see that these values are not formatted correctly. So I will select from C82 as 16, and here I will go to home tab, cell style, and here I will select currency cell style. So all these values will be displayed in currency cell style. So this is done now. And next, the second other thing that is asked in this point, it is saying select the payment that is less than, it is saying it is D15. So this is value that is less than 10,000 but near to, that is less than 10,000 but near to it. So here I will go to cell style and apply a node style to it, so it is formatted in node cell style. So step number 3 is also done, and at the end it is saying click cell A1 and save your work week. So here I will click on cell A1, and next from here I will select save the workbook. So this work has been saved now. Next is step number 4. In step number 4, it is saying display the fourth worksheet job information. Uh, Select the range A4 to C11 and then set a sort by job code in ascending order by using create from selection command. Create name range named job code using the data in the range A4 to A11 and select click cell A1. So here this is the fourth worksheet that name is job information. We will select from A4 to C11, and here on the data tab, for sorting, as you can see, these are beginning with MMG manager. These are not in any kind of order. So for in sort, we will just select a field, and with that field names that are given below in that field name, this will be sorted. So here I will go to on data tab, I will go to sort and filter. Here I will select sort. Here I will select job code, and from A to Z it will show in ascending order and click OK. As I have sorted them, as you can see they are in alphabetical order. First is by B letter, then C, 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 M, M and S. And at the end it is saying select from A4 to A11, go and create from selection. As you can see there are a lot of values, so we will just select it uh, uh, and give them a name or give them a description, that is job description. So here for this we will go to formula tab, and here we will select from create from selection, and we will select top row, as the top row is the name of that, and click OK. Now these have been saved by job code name. As I will select them, you can see their name job code is shown here. So this step is done now. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5, but before starting step number 5, I am professional, so if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 5, it is saying display the staff plan worksheet and then select the range A9 to A18. Create data validation list with source name equal to job code. So here we will go to staff plan worksheet, that is sheet number 3, and here we will select from A19 to A18. As you can see here we will enter a data validation. So data validation is basically that we will give it a list, and in any cell we can choose a value from that list. For this we will go to data tab, and here here is the option in data tools, and here is the data validation. It is showing different values, but we need from list and source. Source is job code, and here we will select OK. As you can see, in all cell the list is shown, and here from any values we can choose from any value. Next, we will move to step number 6. But before starting step number 6, I am professional. So if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying click cell A9, click the list arrow, and then select MAMG, select B9, and click cell B9 to make it active cell, and then insert a VLOOKUP function that will work the up, up the description of the job code in cell A9 information worksheet as the table array. After selecting the table array, press F4 absolute step references the description. So here let's start this point. So here we will select first, from here we will select name, that is MMAG, and here we want to description, but as you can see description is here. So here for this a function is used, that is VLOOKUP. So here we will press equal sign and type VLOOKUP. As the function displays, it is saying first lookup value, so we want this value A9, and next it is saying table array. Basically it looks in the this value in table. So this is our table. We will select it. It is from A4 to C11. So as you can see, it is simple, but if we keep that simple, as we move down, the upper rows will also, or the data selection will also move down. So for this we will press F4. F4, with this F4, this will be absolute reference, and the as we move down from A9 to A10, the values will not change here. And next is what we need. We need description, and description, this is first column, this is second column. So here I will type 2 and press enter. As you can see that it has given us the data that is in second column. So this one is done now, and next it is saying this all has been done now. Next we will move to step number 7. In step number 7, it is saying with cell C9 B9 active cell, copy the VLOOKUP formula through cell B18. In cell C9 type 3 as number of position, and in cell D9 type management. So here first we need to copy this formula. For this I will select cell B9, and from here point we will drag it till B18. As you can see, NA not available, but as we type data or enter data here, this will displayed here. And next is number of position. uh, Number of position is 3. So here I will type it 3, and type is management as it is done. So I will type it management. At the end, in step number 8, in step number 8, it is saying in cell E9 insert a VLOOKUP function to look up the salary of the job code in the cell by A9 by using information in job information sheet as a table array. The salary is in column 3 table array. Copy the VLOOKUP function from E9 to E9 to E18. So here we again have to enter a VLOOKUP function, but that VLOOKUP function, as it has given a description, now we want salary. So here again we will enter VLOOKUP. I will select it VLOOKUP. We are looking for this value, and where we are looking? We are looking in job description table. But what we have to do? We have to press F4 to make it absolute reference, because if that is not absolute reference, as we will move from A9 to A10, this will also move from B4 to C12. And next, salary is 1, 2 and third column. So here I will press 3, and close the parentheses and press enter. Now as you can see, the salary that is 45,000 is available here. As you can see, it is 4,500. And next it is saying we have to copy it from E9 to E18. It is copied, but as no information is selected in column A10 to A18, so it is not available. Next, we will move to step number 9. In step number 9, it is saying add the following stuff in A10. A10, it is saying SSTR. As I have entered this, you can see all these values have displayed here. The description, the salary. So number of position is 5 and type is stock. So here I have entered both these information. So I have completed 9 steps for you. This assignment is consist of 17 points. So if you want me to solve this rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box or Instagram account. I will provide solution for you at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Have a nice day and have a best of luck for your course.